Hello, my dear viewers. This is Deepak Jain from English Mania, and today I am here in conversation with some of my dear students. So I'm going to ask certain questions, and you can say I'm going to conduct a kind of an interview. So here I have some of the students, and they are ready to answer the questions. So here I begin with your name is Krishna, right? So let's begin with Krishna. Please begin with your introduction.
Sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Krishna and I am from Gokul, and I have passed my 12th class this year, and I am pursuing BCom from BSA College. And my hobbies are playing cricket and listening to music. And my strength is I am a hardworking and sincere person. And my aim is that I want to get a respectful job in our society.
Okay, that's good. So where did you do your schooling from?
Yes, I have completed my school from Madan Mohan Kalavati Sarraf Saraswati Vidya Mandir.
Okay, that's good. So could you tell us about the education system in India, please?
Yes, sir. So, education system. According to me, education is a foundation of our career,
Okay.
and we know that it is a birthright of every person.
Hmm.
So, our education should be good, and our childhood education should be good, because our childhood education our childhood education decides that you will be able to do something or not in your future, in your life. So our childhood education should be good. And now if we talk about our education system in India, so it is not, we can't say that it is entirely good, but it is developing day by day.
It is developing.
It is developing day by day.
Okay.
If we compare to other countries like developed countries, our education system is very weak and old.
Okay.
But we can't say that our education system is bad, because it produced many genius minds.
Okay.
who are making proud India, and many scientists,
We're making India proud.
were making India proud,
Hmm.
and many scientists, many mathematicians who have made many inventions and many researches. So we can't say that it is bad, but as compared to other country, it is not entirely good, and it is developing day by day. And there are many loopholes. Behind this, and I will tell you one by one. So first loophole is poor grading system, according to me,
Okay.
because mostly schools pay attention to students intelligence as a academic way only. It's like exam papers. It should be they should be pay attention.
Not B.
They should pay attention creative skills also, on creative skills also.
Okay.
with the exam papers.
Good.
Because only bookish knowledge is not enough.
You should not repeat sentences what you have already spoken.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Practical knowledge is also important, because we know that many people remain unemployed
Okay.
even after getting degree.
Good.
So does education mean only to have degree? No, education is not limited to a degree, because there is no measurement of education.
Yes.
There is no measurement of education.
Try to avoid repetition. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. So, according to me, practical knowledge is a must for the childrens. So by that, if you have practical knowledge, so there is no need of any degree. You can do anything.
Okay.
And next loophole is a lack of good teachers.
Okay.
We notice that in India many schools available. Many schools are available, but there are no teachers. There are no good teachers available in the schools.
Okay.
So it is also a big problem. And apart from this, the lack of lack of interest of teachers and students.
Okay.
Also a big problem. We
Or
notice.
this is one of the reasons.
Yes, and we notice it is mostly found in a government school, according to me. And in a government school, teachers get enough salary. So after that, they don't pay their attention, fully attention to students.
Full attention.
Full attention to students.
Towards
And
towards the students.
towards the student.
Yes.
And after that, students also don't pay attention about towards their study.
Okay.
So it is also a big problem. And inequality is also a big problem. We know that in India there are many people who have a negative thinking.
Okay.
And in the case of inequality, discrimination is also a big example of inequality.
Okay.
Many people who have a negative thinking, they don't provide opportunity to the girls.
Okay.
By that the girls remain uneducated.
Okay.
So it is also a very big loophole. And these are also very big loophole of our education system.
Okay.
And we can improve it too. So what should be done to improve? So we can improve in many ways. Like first, school must hire well and qualified teachers.
Good.
School must hire well and qualified teacher. By that,
Why don't repeat?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Because
Repetition is a bad habit.
they must help to student.
Not to.
They must help student to understand the concept instead of mugging up of
Yes.
whole syllabus. So
So you don't like mugging up, right?
Yes.
Same here.
Because in mugging up we get only bookish knowledge,
Yes.
and this is not enough.
Yes.
And after that, apart from this, school can use technical study like through LED and
Like English Mania.
like English Mania. In English Mania, we can learn English by LED. Through LED. By that, we can save our time. So it is a very big opportunity, and we can say that a very big thing to save facility
Yes.
to save our time. And through that, students will also take interest
Yes.
in study. So these are the things by that we can improve our education system.
Okay. That was good from your side.
That is all about my view on the education system.
Nice views you have placed. That was practical that you spoke, or because you have gone through the education system, right? So that was good. And my next question to you is that you are from Mathura, right?
Yes, sir.
And especially from Gokul.
Yes, sir.
So I want you to tell us something about Gokul only and then Mathura. Yeah?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
We know that, sir, Mathura and Gokul are both are very religious place and holy place.
Holy places.
Holy
both,
places,
right?
both.
Yeah.
So if I tell about Mathura, so Mathura is a religious place. And because Lord Krishna took birth in Mathura. Many years ago, Lord Krishna took birth in Mathura, and there are many temples and many religious places are also available in Mathura, like Krishna Janmabhoomi, Dwarkadhish temple, and Prem Mandir, etc. And these temples are very beautiful and attractive. By that, for that, many tourists and mostly foreign tourists come here for visiting these temples.
Okay.
So this is all about temples. And if we talk about development of Mathura,
Yes.
and Gokul, and it is not fully developed, but it is developing very fastly.
Okay.
Like if we talk about shops, so there are many types of shops available, like daily need things shops, sweet shops, Brajvasi is one of the famous sweets man in Mathura, and the
Confectioner.
confectioner, yes sir, and the peda. Peda is a famous sweets of Mathura.
Yes.
And if we talk about transportation, so many transportation facilities are available in Mathura, like bus facility, auto rickshaws, and railway station also
Is situated.
is situated in Mathura. And apart from this, in education system, so our education system is very good. Like there are many good universities or are also available in Mathura, like GLA University, Sachdeva University, and Sanskrit University also. And if we talk about industrial areas, so refinery is also situated in Mathura, and it produce
Don't touch it.
and it produced
It produced.
8 million 8 million mining capacity per year. So apart from this Gokul, Gokul is a place where Lord Krishna spent his childhood.
He was brought up there.
Yeah, he took birth in Mathura, but he spent his childhood in Gokul.
Okay.
And in Gokul have also many temples.
There are many.
There are many temples or are also available in Gokul,
Okay.
like Nand Bhavan and Yog Maya Mandir,
Okay.
and many more. So Gokul is also a very religious town. So it is all my views on Mathura and Gokul, sir.
That's lovely. Okay. Thank you very much for sharing your views. That was lovely and good to know or to hear from you about the education system and about the your hometown Mathura and especially Gokul. So that was nice, yeah. And about the mistakes, I have shared feedback, and you will get this video, and by listening to this video you can make corrections, and the major feedback about you is about the repetition in the sentences. So you just need to mind repetition. When you are a beginner, it naturally happens that you have the tendency to repeat the sentences. Okay, that is known as filler. When you are thinking of your next sentence, then that filler comes. So some people fill it by repeating the sentences. So it looks awkward at the time of your interview. Otherwise, nice improvement in a very short span of time. Okay, so I wish you to keep it up. Yeah,
Yes.
and that was all. Yeah, and keep it up. Clear?
Thank you.
Okay.